Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. US President Joe Biden will host the 4th in-person Quad Leaders Summit on September 21st in Delaware, welcoming leaders from Australia, India and Japan. India, initially scheduled to host, will do so next year. This summit is seen as a part of Biden's foreign policy legacy. Fatehjeet Singh, a Punjabi singer from Jalandhar, was arrested at Delhi's IGR airport for his involvement in a fake visa racket. Singh and others attempted to smuggle a passenger to the US via donkey route. A gas leak from a chemical company in Ambernath, Maharashtra caused panic, with residents reporting visibility issues and throat irritation. Emergency teams were deployed, urging residents to stay indoors as the cause of the leak is investigated. Indian NSA Ajit Doval briefed Russian President Vladimir Putin on PM Modi's recent meeting with the Ukrainian President Zelensky. Doval emphasized that PM Modi personally wanted to update Putin on the discussions which were held privately. The meeting occurred during Doval's visit for the BRICS NSA summit in St. Petersburg. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat is set to move into the newly rebuilt RSS headquarters Keshav Kunj in Delhi on September 17, coinciding with the PM Modi's birthday. The 12-story building will house senior functionaries with Bhagwat's residence on the top floor. Indian NSA Ajit Doval and Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi met in St. Petersburg and agreed to expedite disengagement in Ladakh's friction points. Doval stressed that peace along the LAC is crucial for normal bilateral relations. Two protesters were shot dead by police during an eviction drive in Assam's Kamrup district. The mob, including a woman, attacked officials and police with weapons during an attempt to evict Bengali-speaking Muslim villagers from encroached land. The Supreme Court strongly condemned demolishing properties based on criminal accusations, stating that involvement in crime does not justify property destruction. The bench emphasized that rule of law must be upheld with criminal allegations proven in court before any action is taken. It is time for a break now. We will be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, ये है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
Indian External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal dismissed rumors of Bangladesh former PM Sheikh Hasina's extradition, calling it hypothetical question. Bangladesh War Crimes Tribunal recently sought her extradition over alleged massacres during the 1971 war. LNJP Hospital's medical director confirmed that Mpox patient under treatment is recovering. The Union Health Ministry had previously stated that the patient, a recent traveler from a Mpox affected country, remains stable and is isolated in a designated facility. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar received high praise from Ambassador Jean-David Levitt, who called him a star in the world during a Geneva security policy event. Russian President Vladimir Putin expressed eagerness to meet PM Modi at the upcoming BRICS summit in Kazan. The proposal came during Putin's meeting with the NSA Ajit Doval, who attended the BRICS high-level security officials meeting in St. Petersburg. CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri passed away at AIIMS Delhi after a prolonged illness. The 72-year-old leader's body was donated to AIIMS for medical research as per his family's wishes. Kolkata's protesting junior doctors agreed to meet CM Mamata Banerjee, sending a 30-member team for the discussion. This follows back and forth negotiations regarding the number of participants allowed and the live telecast of the meeting. Donald Trump announced that he would not participate in another debate with Kamala Harris before the November election, citing his satisfaction with previous performances. Trump previously debated President Biden in June and Harris more recently. A 24-year-old Israeli soldier of Indian origin was killed in a vehicle ramming attack near the West Bank. Hangal, part of the Neem Menashe community from India, moved to Israel in 2020. His funeral is scheduled for Thursday. Pakistani national Asif Raza Merchant has been charged for plotting to assassinate a US official in retaliation of killing the Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani. Merchant allegedly sought to hire a hitman, according to US prosecutor, who vowed to hold such terrorists accountable. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.